Hello. Thank you, Nicole and Jackie. My name is Arman Garab. In the next few minutes, I'll be discussing MISP.io website security. There are only 12 slides. Please keep in mind that website security is a very complex topic, and I will briefly only discuss some high-level topics regarding MISP.io security. These are the topics I'll be discussing. What is website security? Website Security 101, high-level overview, and then finally MISP.io website security. So what is website security? As we all know, the internet can be a dangerous place. Sometimes we hear about websites that become unavailable suddenly due to denial of service attacks, ransomware attacks, or displaying modified and damaging information on their web pages. In some high-profile cases, millions of passwords, email addresses, and credit card details have been leaked into the public domain, exposing website users to both personal embarrassment and financial risk. The goal of website security is to prevent these sorts of attacks and other attacks. So when we are designing a website, we need to be aware of issues, topics. Effective website security requires design effort across the whole of the website. We need to have security in mind for following areas and topics: configuration of the web server, creating policies for creating and renewing passwords, when designing the client-side code, when designing the server-side code, also when designing the database, the backend database. Also, we need to enable HTTPS. This protocol provides encryption from the browser to the web server using SSL encryption. For example, HTTPS MISP.io, that's our website. It's also good practice to avoid sites without HTTPS in the URL. Also, cross-site scripting, XSS, client state manipulation, cross-site request forgery known as CSRF, SQL injection, and finally, keeping software up to date. Let's step back and take a look from a high level. So there are two main aspects to website security: physical security, where the computers and servers live, also software and hardware security. Our solution in using Microsoft Azure addresses these issues and much more. Azure provides multi-layer security provided by Microsoft across physical data centers, infrastructure, and operations in Azure. Our partnership with our cloud provider delivers state-of-the-art security in Azure data centers globally. Our cloud partner, Azure Cloud, is built with customized hardware, has security controls integrated into the hardware and firmware components, and added protection against threats such as DDoS and other threats. Our partner cybersecurity team has more than 3,500 global cybersecurity experts that work together to help safeguard our business assets and data in Azure. Azure provides multi-layered security provided by Microsoft across physical data centers, infrastructure, and operations in Azure. Finally, specific to our site, MISP.io, our security architecture includes using Azure AD B2C for identity service, protection against distributed denial of service attacks, protection against password attacks, data security from browser to the backend data center using HTTPS protocols. This includes data encryption from the browser to our cloud data center, password management, self-service password reset using state-of-the-art algorithms, 24/7 continuous protection from Azure Security Center. Overall, our web security in Azure detects threats early with unique intelligence, and Azure identifies new threats and responds quickly with services that are informed by real-time global security intelligence delivered at cloud scale. These actionable insights are developed by analyzing vast sources, including 18 billion web pages, 400 billion emails, 1 billion Windows device updates, and 450 billion monthly authentication. Azure uses machine learning, behavior analytics, and application-based intelligence. Microsoft data scientists analyze the flow of data in the Microsoft Intelligent Security Graph to keep our websites safe. Finally, our security protocols continuously evolve to match the different types of vulnerabilities that exist. That's all I have. Thank you very much.